Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna do this, I started to talk about this stuff on my other video that I did in regards to the analytics that I've looked into on my TikTok, but I wanted to separate this one because this is more of a game plan at the moment for doing TikTok how-to videos. I had told you guys I was gonna do it. As usual, the technical side got in my way. I am a techno idiot when it comes to this, apparently. So when I told you guys on the video that, hey, I'm gonna get out here and do how to do TikToks, it didn't work out great. I used my phone to record my YouTube videos, and then TikTok is on the phone. So I wasn't sure how to record the TikTok how-to videos on my phone while recording the YouTube about how, yeah, you see where I'm going with this. So my son's been helping me figure out all the logistics about the software, the apps, my tablet, my phone, how to do all that. And in the meantime, I had a test that came back positive for skin cancer on my face, just this small spot here, but they don't know how deep or how wide they're gonna have to go to remove it. But I am going in for that this Thursday. There's a good chance that I'm going to be bruised and swollen for a little bit, and a definite possibility, depending on how deep and how far that they have to go, that I may or may not want to be on camera a lot right away. And I am not vain enough that I care whether you guys see it, because hey, you're gonna know why it's there. I am more concerned on people on the other end of the camera like you who may not want to see it. So yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be yet, so we're gonna figure it out. But in the meantime, what I'm planning on doing is you're probably gonna see the same startup on all my how-to videos for TikTok, and then I will go to recording on the phone, which doesn't require me to be there, obviously, visually, so that you guys will be getting the information, and we'll make sure I get that out there. So if you are looking for information on how to do TikTok, the various things that are in there, hit the subscribe button down below, come out and visit me again, and I will be getting them posted and updated as soon as I am physically able. This shouldn't be too bad. It's just gonna be the gross factor that I worry about with people. So thank you guys for checking it out. Go hit the like button if you got any information on this video. Come back and see me, subscribe for more information, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, hope you guys are all doing well. And yeah, we'll talk again soon. Remember, life is short. Make it happen.